Okay, so now we've made the training a little more aggressive. Laura has to move the bowl completely off of the peanut scent in order to receive her ball. So she's directly working for the ball off of the scent. Laura, check it. Check it. Laura, check it. Check it. Laura, check it. Yay! Go get the ball! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Oh, go get it. Good girl. So now I will put the ball away and ask her to check it. Check it. Check it. And she must completely remove the bowl and expose the peanut scented paper towel underneath to get her ball. Yay, Laura! Yay! Yay! Good girl! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! It's over here. Go get it! Yeah. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. Get it. Oh, shoot. Get it. Heat up. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl. Okay, ball goes away. Check it. Good girl. Go get it. Yay! Go get your ball. Here it is. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, one more time. Oh. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Woohoo! Okay, check it. Okay. Good girl. Check it. Oh, go get it, Laura! Good girl. Go get it. Check it. Laura, check it. Laura, check it. Check it. Check it. Woohoo! Go get it! Yay! Good girl. Check it. Laura, check it. Woohoo! Go get it! Good girl, get it. It's ready. Good girl. There, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Woo! Good girl. Yay! Very good.